Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. I will be just tap on it my application and make sure you will have logged in, and I will be just open the camera, and we will just move in Reel section, and I want to just record, or you will just have upload, and from here you will just write it like www.youtube.com, and you will just have simply adjust the movement, and again just tap on this emoji and just find the links. So here you will just add a emoji right over here, and you just also add in this description the link in bio, and just tap to done, and you will just tap on it next like this, and just simply tap on it share. So when it's upload, and make sure you will attach your link in the bio like this. I will just attach it, so when it's upload and your audience will have seen, so it will just read it, so show the website, and you will just add a caption, so the link in bio, so when someone see, and it will just move in your profile and just tap on it in the bio link. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.